Good evening, everyone. My name is Pradeep, and I am from Delhi. Right now, I'm in Pune because my company, is Pune. That is Exa Business Services, and I am working there as a team leader. And I am a linguistic. I am an Italian language expert, and I speak Italian since more than 15 years. I'm working in the same domain. So today I'm going to talk about importance of foreign languages, how a foreign language can give a smart move to our career. So before I start, I would really like to thank Mr. Sudhakar Jadhav sir, and who is the president of Jadhav Group, Mr. Shardul Jadhav sir, who is the vice president of Jadhav Group, Mrs. Simita Kulkarni ma'am, who is the administrative head, and Mrs. Rakhi Vyas, she is the principal of Jadhav Group of Jadhav International School. So I would really like to thank to all of you for inviting me and give me this opportunity to speak about foreign language importance. So today I'm going to start about it. So during the session, if anyone has any question, can reach out to me, can let me know so that we can clear the doubt then and there. So foreign language, how foreign language, can give a smart move to our career and why it is so important for our career and from where you can, learn the languages and how you can give, a beautiful turn to your career. If I talk about me, I learned the Italian language at the age of 28 when I was a father of two kids. And before that, I was working in a very, in an Indian industry. And I was really looking for, a good move, a smart move for my career. So one of my friends told me about that, why don't you learn the foreign languages? Because you can, grow in your career as well as, and you can financially grow as well. So I analyzed and I realized that yes, language doesn't require any kind of sort of, a big degree in your hand. You just learn the language and you can give a very beautiful move to your career. If I talk about me, I am a simply arts graduate person. I have no engineering degree. I have not done MBA. However, today I am, getting a package of 20 lakhs. Because of I learned the language and I got very good experience in it, and I started my career with big name of big BPOs. So if you have any kind of degree, be it engineering, be it MBA, be it CA, if you have the language skills also, you can it will be a very good addition to your career. That it's a very rare combination. The person is having the engineering degree in hand and as well as the language. So if you have both the combination, so you can give a very good opportunity in the market. Even if you don't have any kind of degree, even you are simply graduate commerce, arts, or anything, but if you have the language skills, you can excel in your career. If I talk about like nowadays, most of the people are not aware that what is, no one knows that language is, you can, make your career in language. People are not aware because in Pune, I got to know that most of the people are not aware that, we can have the option that we can make career in language. Be it any language, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, French. So there are n number of languages. So most of the people are scared to to choose the language that because it costs a lot. So sometimes what happens, people scared that if we spend money, maybe we got the job or not. But it is not like that. If you just give a start for the language and you just do it, and I can give you the shortage, definitely you will get a very good job in your hand. That too starts from 30 to 40K initially. So most of the people have doubt like if we don't know English, if we cannot speak English, we cannot learn the language. So this is not at all the case. whatever language you speak, be it Marathi, be it Kannada, be it English, be it any language, you can learn the language through your mother tongue. Because I have seen people, those those speak, the people can speak only Hindi, can Marathi, but they are learning language and they are speaking language like very fluently. So don't scared. You need not to scare that this is a foreign language and it would be difficult. Yes, there are difficulties. Like a baby, if I can quote an example, like a baby doesn't know anything. We give a start. We give a push to the baby to speak, and the baby doesn't know what is the language. They learn the language through us only, through their parents. So similarly, when you go and learn to the language, you have zero, you always come with a zero mind. So after that, when slowly, gradually, when start learning, you will get to know, you realize that, oh, this is, it's an easy way, and through your language you can learn the any foreign language. So most of the people think like, after 10th, after 12th, I will do this in engineering, I will go for CA, I will go for MBA, I will go for some other degree. There are n number of degrees are available in the market. So, but if you learn if you learn any kind of foreign language, if you go for any kind of foreign language, it will be a very, good addition to your career, as I said before. So always I would request you all to please go with the language. It is really, really important nowadays to give a very smart move to your career. So this is all about language. If you have any question, anything in your mind, you can ask. You can raise your hand so that I can give a clarity on that. Good evening, everyone. Is there anything you want me to add, you want me to discuss, you want me to talk about? And yes, one more thing I would like to add here. Like, most of the people, like, are from financial background. Like, they have done MBA in finance, they have done, CA, they have done any other degree, as I told before. Because language doesn't have, any language doesn't belongs to any kind of degree, any kind of financial or any kind of, engineering degree. It is just a language, because your core skill will be a language, and you can work any of the domain, be it technical, be it non-technical, be it financial, be it any kind of domain you can work. If you know the language, you just have to learn the terminology of that project, and you can start working. So this is the plus point of the language, that you are very demanding in the market, right? So if you have financial degree and you know the language, you are more, your demand will be more in the market, because you have that addition with you in your degrees. So this is the point which I would like to highlight it. So I would suggest that just go for the language, be it any language, German, French, Italian, and Portuguese. So these are really demanding in the market nowadays, and people are, learning language, and they are giving very smart move to their career. So go for it, and excel in your career. Thank you so much, guys. This is all about the language. Just Rakhi ma'am, I'm done with the session. I have already given the brief about the language. So is there any question? Is there anything else which you would like to know about it? Any question in any of the minds? So just let me know. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can I finish, ma'am, then? Ma'am, as I said, every language is demanding. If I talk about the market standard like German, French, German is, German and French are the most demanding language in the market because people are, go for German and French initially. So, yes, after that Italian, after that Spanish, and then Portuguese. And Spanish and Chinese and Japanese also, are the very demanding language. However, they are quite tough. So, very good point, ma'am. Because sometimes what happens, like people doesn't have time. There are some people those doesn't have time. Those really, want to learn quickly and want to earn quickly. So, for in that aspect, you have to search the market which language is more easy to learn, and you can, learn the language quickly, and you can give us a way to your career. So if I talk about me, I analyze the languages because German and French are quite tough, but Italian was quite easy to understand, easy to learn, and takes less time to learn. So just because of at the age of 28 I learned the language, so I didn't have very much time to spend in the language. So I spent 2 years in the language, and I learned quickly, and I moved to the language field, and it is very vast. It is very vast. So yes, German, French, Italian are more demanding language in the market. Any other question, ma'am? Sanket Patil. Yes, Sanket Patil raised a question: do we have any scope for foreign opportunity? Absolutely, very good question raised by Sanket. We have multiple opportunities available to visit foreign, because you must have heard about HRD. It is Human Resource Department, which always gives you the opportunity to go out in any of the country. They always provides you they always provide you uh, the scholarships in each and every field, like interior decoration, like engineering, like if you want to learn you want to do any of the certification from outside, they always provide you the scholarship on the basis of the interview. If your interview go well, you will get the scholarship, and you can get a chance to go to abroad. Yes. A question raised by Sanket: it is better to complete language from certification from embassy or from private institute? I would always prefer to go with the embassy, and if it is certified institute, definitely you can do the language from any private institute if it is certified, because there are companies those are not accepting the certificate which is not certified in language. So you have to be very, very careful before applying for any of the institute. You have to check over the websites whether it is affiliated or whether it is linked with the any of the institution which is relevant. So you have to check that. Yeah, Mrs. Rakhi asked a question. Students are asking their questions. Okay, which fields have scope after doing basic course in language, doing after 10th and 12th? After 10th and 12th, sorry ma'am, but after 10th and 12th, there is no scope, because every company is asking for the degree. You must have any of the, you must have any, graduation, or you have, after graduation, you can apply for any job. Before that, if after 10th and 12th, if you really want to go for any language job, you can do freelancing, like translation you can do, or you can start with the escorting. Escorting is one of the famous in language. So you can go for escorting also. To dealing with the visitors, those are coming from foreign countries, and those are coming from foreign countries to visit India. So you just escort them, and you have to be with them. So in that way also you can do after 10th and 12th. Yes, ma'am. As Rakhi ma'am raised a question like during the pandemic situation, do we have any institute? Absolutely, ma'am. Every institute is providing online classes. So for German, Max Muller is there, and for French, Allianz is there, and for Italian embassy is there. So every institute is providing online classes. You can check their website. Courses are available there. You can go and check the details over their websites. Raki ma'am raised a question. Government made compulsion of religion language in school. What do you think about it? Religion language, ma'am, it is basically government made a compulsion just because that the person who is living in that particular region, the person must have the language so that the person cannot face the problem to converse with the people, with the local people. So which is why government made the compulsion that every person should know the regional language. So I think it is good. It is a good start. Everybody should know every language, since it is related to our India, and India has more than 26 languages. So I think it is good. So this is my opinion on that. Any other question? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting me to give a brief about the languages. So this is a very good opportunity for me. Very first time that I came on this platform and to speak about the languages. So it was a very good experience to work with you. So definitely in future we'll have more sessions like this. Thank you so much, ma'am. Second part raised the question: minimum level required for a job. Definitely, for to get a job, you must have B1 level, because B1 level is includes literature also, so you have a very good command over the language after B1 level. You have a good understanding of the language. So yes, every for B1 language at least persons have. And I hope that I could justify the session, because this was my first session, to go live or something. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak about it. Thank you. Anything else? Any other question? Do you have any other question related to language? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Most welcome. Rakhi ma'am, any other question? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for giving me this opportunity again. And thanks a lot. Have a great evening.